Hi guys, thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to show you an easy way to create the look of coral using the balloon smash technique. Before we get to that part, I'm just painting the canvas blue. To create the coral, I'm using a balloon that's slightly filled with water, dipping it into the paint, and then just pressing it down gently onto the canvas and carefully lifting it directly back up. I think we might need a fish or two to help finish off the painting. So I've drawn two fish on the canvas in pencil that I'm going to work on now. I'm first colouring them in white with a Posca pen. I'm making them white because the colours that I'm going to use for the fish are transparent colours, so a lot of the blue would show through if I didn't first make the fish white. Now I'm using some Liquitex transparent white paint to go over the fins so that I'm able to slightly cover the blue background but still able to see the white stripes. If I wasn't using transparent white paint for this, then the fins would end up being a solid white like the body of the fish. Still using that transparent white paint, I thought I'd attempt some sun rays. Maybe not the best sun rays ever, but you know, thought I'd give them a try. With the white dry, I'm painting the fish brilliant yellow. Because we've got the light source coming from the top of the fish, I'm going to paint the bottom of the fish a slightly darker yellow because less sunlight will be reaching the bottom of the fish. And then I'm making the top of the fish a bit lighter using transparent white paint because that's where more of the sunlight would be hitting the fish. Now I'm using a black Posca pen to go over the pencil eye that I sketched on to finish the fish off. Hopefully you can have some fun giving this a try to create the look of coral in one of your future paintings. Thanks as always for joining me, and if you'd like to see more tutorials like this, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.